Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and go to the Amazon website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account and click on the profile at the top right corner. If you scroll all the way down, you can see English and United States. If you want to change the language, click on English and you can choose Spanish. But if you want to change to different language, what you can do is go to your profile and scroll all the way down and choose United States. Once you do that, you can choose the country or region you want to change the language to and select the country or region. For example, I'll choose France, and if I click on go to website, the language is also changed. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language to French. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.